Alright guys, this is the Benda Motorcycles booth in the Makina Motor Show. So this is the Benda Napoleon Bob 250 V-twin yan, 250cc's, priced at 239,000 Philippine pesos. Apaka-pogi, Diyos ko po. Look at that, telescopic front fork with another support. Ayan, apat bali yung suspension niya sa harap. As you can see, bar and mirrors. So bakit apat yung suspension niya sa harap? Ang bigat niya, 160 yung gulong niya sa harap and likod, 17 inches I believe, or 18, I could be wrong, but then again, kasi sobrang haba ng stride niya, you can see extended siya. So para hindi agad-agad masira yung telescopic, yan niligyan na lang ng support ng Benda, and it does look good. Now, we have here sa katabi niya the LFC700, I believe, exactly 670 something cc. Ayan, kita nyo yung gulong sa likod, 300 yan. That's a 300 sized rear tire. Akala ko noong una 200 pero it's 300. It's a 4-cylinder power cruiser. I call it like a power cruiser. Chain drive. It makes around 77 horsepower. And it's low to mid. Wala siya halos dulo. Maximum speed would be 160 kilometers an hour. And sobrang bigat niya. It's around 250 to 60 kilograms. I could be wrong, but then again, it's around that range only. It's a 700cc. We'll market it as 700 at least. 600 something, 670 something talaga siya in actuality, but it's expressway legal completely. Right, it does look good. Benda Motorcycles.